everybody, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Today, we're discussing how to check group mailboxes through visual voicemail on the Avaya IP Office phone system. Let's start with the Avaya 9508 telephone. Your phone system may utilize multiple mailboxes, such as Hunt Group mailboxes or a general mailbox. These mailboxes may show up on your phone along with your personal mailbox in visual voicemail. This phone, for example, has two group mailboxes on it. When you press the message button, you'll notice that the first option is for listen. This is your personal mailbox. It also shows that there are no new, no old, and no saved messages. The general mailbox, however, has one new message. Scroll down to highlight General Mailbox, then press Select or OK. Press OK again to listen, then select Play. Any other group mailboxes that you have access to through visual voicemail will be listed below Listen for your personal mailbox here on this screen. Please note that whatever action you take to the message on one extension will apply to anyone who has the mailbox. For example, if you delete a message on your phone from the group mailbox, it is deleted from everyone's mailbox. Next, let's look at visual voicemail on the Avaya 5410 phones. Avaya 5410s also utilize visual voicemail, though the layout is slightly different. Start by pressing your message button on the right here. You'll notice that Listen is, once again, the first option and is for your personal mailbox. This phone also has the Appointment Hunt Group mailbox and the General mailbox. As you can see, the General mailbox has one new message. Select the General mailbox and you'll see that there is one new, one old, and no saved messages. Select the message you would like to play, and it begins playing immediately. It also displays all the options you have for handling the message. Thanks again for visiting our YouTube channel. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and head to our website for even more resources.